Hi, how are you doing? In this video, we're going to learn about the null data type. Okay, undefined we already know. Okay, so we're not going to do more about undefined. We're going to go straight to null type. So what is null type? Let me show you with an example. Okay, so before I do that, I just want to say something about null. In JavaScript, null refers to an empty object. Okay, so that's why I want to show you first. Let me create a variable computer equals to null. Okay. I declare a variable and assign a value of null. Okay, value of null, and let's see what it returns. Alert computer, and remember how we take the data type. I showed you in the previous video. Yes, type of. Let's see what it returns. Type of computer, which has the value of null. Let's see what happens. Object again. Cool. So like I told you earlier, null is an empty object. So when you would use this is when you are building a JavaScript application, and you need to define a variable that is meant to hold some data later on. In that case, you can use null. So variable that is meant to later hold an object with some certain data, then it is recommended to initialize that variable with null. All right, it's pretty straightforward. Okay, that was easy. Now let's talk about boolean as well. So what is this boolean data type? Boolean type is it's a true or false, and it has only two values, two literal values: true, either true or false. So let's see that in an example. Let's create a variable num1, and let's assign the value of 100. Okay, now you must have noticed I've put this number in this quotation, so it becomes a string. It's not a number anymore because I wrapped in a code. Okay, let's create another. Sorry, it's num1, and let's create num2, and this time I'm going to give it a number. Okay. Now let's see boolean number. Let's create another variable. So what it will do, it will just compare. Okay, so num1 equals num2. Triple equals are strict equal operators. So we're going to learn more about these operators later on, so don't worry. So this is the triple equal operator. So it will check if this value is exactly similar to this one. So let's see the result. Alert type of bool no. And what do you expect to see here? Let's see. Boolean. Great. So the type of this variable is, what is it? Boolean. So let's try again. Num1 equals num2. Let's see what happens. Save and refresh. Boolean, and then it says false. That's good. So first it showed Boolean because it was true or false, right? And then we wanted to know exactly what is it, true or false. Then we compare these two variables, and as a result we saw false. Okay, so this is basically a Boolean type. This is what it's. This is how you use it. All right. Now if I change this to 100, let's make it the same number, both number type. Now they match, right? They're both type, exactly same type. Now we should see this true. Yeah, let's try Boolean, and it's true. Okay, so that's how Boolean works. Okay, so we covered undefined, We covered null and we covered boolean. Now next, these three data types, we're going to learn more about these ones. All right, see you in the next video. Thank you.